Hello, YouTube.com. My name is Ojema Garrett. This is my tips channel. I'm a newer YouTuber. I have three triple digit channels, so over 100 subs on each of them. Um, and this is just kind of a video log of resources of things that I'm learning along the way for you to reference in your YouTube journey from a new YouTuber's perspective, as I feel like I learned a little more of the ropes. So it's just to drag everybody else along with me. So hopefully this is useful to you too. And this video is going to be about attitude, and your attitude toward YouTube will make or break your channel. So let's get into why. Um, Today, I'm going to share how mindset impacts growth, consistency, and creativity on YouTube. Uh, a positive attitude is going to be super paramount to a channel's growth, to everything you do, honestly, but you need a positive attitude. An attitude, I define it as like a direction, a mood, a direction your mood is going. Okay, so if you can have a positive attitude, so you have like a positive attitude, like happiness or joy or perseverance or whatever. You know, it's tough right now, but I trust the process and stuff like that. So that type of positive attitude that's like, you know what, I know it's hard right now, but there's a chance I can succeed, so I'm going to try anyway. So what do I got to lose? Like those are positive attitudes, and that's going to be super motivating for your channel. It's going to get it done, or I don't care how many times it takes. I'm going to just keep working and grinding and just trying to improve myself. That's my goal, is to improve myself. So positive attitudes are going to be a lot more productive for you, and it is like very very paramount because your what precedes you is your attitude. You don't like your attitude doesn't come after, if that makes sense. So you're not like you have a good day and then all of a sudden your attitude changes. Like, so that's true, but it like makes it very wishy-washy, and it's more determined by positive results. And like for me personally, I've had like a lot of high expectations on my channel when I didn't have those high expectations because I was imagining a future that isn't here, that doesn't exist. I was like super bummed out all the time and just get into a negative attitude set mindset, which was like, man, this is never going to work for me. Man, I'm so stupid. People are going to make fun of me. What are people going to think? I've done things in my past that are cringy. If I ever made it, then people are going to like come out of the woodwork, and like my friends are going to talk shit, and then people are going to like start a drama about me or whatever. All these negative things trying to prevent me. So when I would get into this attitude, this mood, I would not want to produce content. I would not want to put stuff on the internet. So it is like super important that you just keep a good attitude. And the best way for me, I think, to keep a good attitude is to get a good system in place. So like for me right now, it's 3:51 in the morning. I get up, and the first thing I do is I go, you know, brush my teeth, put my deodorant on, get dressed, and then I pray. And then, you know, I get into that like that, you know, thankfulness. I journal then, you know, and I just do these things as like my morning ritual to get in a good attitude, and then begin the most important work to me, which is the YouTube right now. So that's why I've been getting up at 3 a.m. ahead of my workday and working from 3 to 6:45, because I know my attitude is the best in the morning. And if I start with a good attitude, if I have a good attitude in the morning before bad things can happen to really wear me down, I'm gonna make better videos. So like it's just super important to just maintain your attitude, whatever it takes. You know what I mean? Like removing yourself from toxic environments, um, setting realistic expectations. So, for instance, keeping a good attitude is like, man, heck yeah, I got 10 views on that video when you normally only get five. You know what I mean? It is a 2x. It comes down to perspective, and your attitude's going to change if you have a more realistic perspective. Like if you go for things that are within your reach now, you know what I mean? Just focus on the now, not the future, not the past. You just focus on now. It's going to give you a better attitude. Like I can reach 10 views. Okay, now I can reach 20 views. Now I can reach 25 views. I can reach 50 views now. These are tangible things in front of me, and then hitting those little goals and celebrating them by like giving yourself a pat on the back or telling people about it that, you know, will give you good feedback, or even just whatever, just having a little just recording it is good for me. I like to record it. Like I have a notepad right now. I just started recording my yearly views. Like so I add up my views and then multiply it by 365 to see what it would be on a yearly projection. So then that's been pretty nice, because then I know what decisions I'm making By tracking that metric, I know what decisions I'm making that are moving me up or moving me down. And these are like little things you can do to just keep that attitude nice and high. And just like when you get setbacks and stuff like that, it's tough to get through them, but like tomorrow's another day. You know what I'm saying? Like it's that type of those types of sayings that are going to give you a good keep you in a good attitude, good spirits, and just keep believing. You know what I mean? That it's possible. And because it's possible, and if you keep working, then your chances of making it go up every single day, and just little things like that just adding up in your head. So hopefully that helps a little bit. I know I'm a little bit scatterbrained when it comes to talking about stuff like this, but I don't like scripted content because I want to like speak from my heart and like try to talk to you personally about what I think is going to help. So that's attitude. I think if you have a great attitude, nothing can stop you. And like that's why the world, like the if you believe in evil, good and evil, that's why evil wants you to be in a bad mood because it knows that you're not going to go after your goals, and then it's going to really rip you down. So just keeping a good attitude will keep you nice and productive, keep you nice and motivated. And if you want more tips like this, I'm going to start making a channel for my YouTube or for I'm going to make a Discord channel to have like content new content creators come in and everybody just talk and just like build a community of creators for all of us to just like communicate and like bounce ideas off each other and stuff like that. So thank you. Have a nice day.